You type a quick request into an AI chatbot, hit enter, and what comes back is a wall of generic, useless text. You are left staring at the screen, entirely stuck. Prompt engineering turns a general language model into a specialized tool through the simple art of giving specific, highly detailed directions to a willing assistant. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to take a completely useless prompt and rebuild it step by step until it generates a precise, ready-to-publish social media post. By mastering prompt construction, you stop fighting the algorithm and start effectively delegating to it. Let's start with the baseline error. Go to your OpenAI platform and type exactly this: write a social media post. Now look at the result. The text on the right is a massive, unformatted block of copy. There are no hashtags, no spacing optimized for a specific platform, and the language is completely robotic. Read through the first sentence. There is zero indication of who this post is actually for. The language is also entirely flat. It has no instructions on whether it should sound professional, casual, or persuasive. This happens because of the mind reader fallacy. We assume the AI already knows our business goals and target demographic. Without explicit instruction, it knows nothing about your objective. We fix this by establishing a foundation. Step 1, assigning a role. Step 2, providing context. When you tell the system to act as an experienced SEO specialist, you force the AI to filter its massive database through a specific persona, giving you a targeted baseline of expertise. Then you add the context. Adding a phrase like promoting a dark roast coffee blend for busy professionals grounds the AI in your specific reality. It now knows the product and the audience. Without these two elements, the AI pulls from generic averages. With them, it operates as an aligned specialist working directly on your project. Once the foundation is set, we need operational constraints. If you just add "keep it short" to the end of your prompt, the AI has to guess what short means to you. A paragraph? A single sentence? Instead, we use guardrails. These are exact parameters for length, tone, platform, and formatting. For example, an Instagram post requires a completely different length than a LinkedIn article. Specify exactly 150 words to fit your chosen platform's limits. Next, explicitly demand the structural elements you need. Tell it to include 3 relevant hashtags and a call to action to visit our website. We combine these guardrails with our role and context foundation. This forms the third block of our setup, specifics. By defining these parameters up front, you get what you need on the first try. You prevent the cycle of repeatedly asking the AI to tweak the formatting. Implementing these specific constraints ensures the AI produces a draft that aligns with your technical requirements without additional editing cycles. Even with perfect parameters, users often make the mistake of overloading. They try to generate an entire multi-part project in one single request, which breaks the AI's output quality. The solution is sequencing. You break a large campaign down into smaller, manageable steps performed in chronological order. Step 1 of sequencing looks like this. Ask the AI to generate initial ideas and explicitly instruct it to wait for your feedback before continuing. This creates an approval mechanism. The system must wait for you to review the concepts and select the strongest idea. Once you approve an option, the AI proceeds with step 2, writing the final body copy based strictly on your selection. Implementing this pause means the algorithm generates options, but the human user retains editorial control. Sequencing keeps the AI from wandering off track, making sure complex projects stay aligned with your exact vision. Let's assemble everything. We have moved from a weak, 5-word request into a fully structured, highly engineered, and repeatable formula. The final output now hits every mark. It is a friendly, platform-specific Instagram post, perfectly constrained to 150 words, complete with 3 targeted hashtags and a clear call to action. This is your repeatable system. Assign a role, provide the context, set exact specifics, and use step sequencing for larger tasks. Take this exact framework and apply it to one real task today. Clear, structured communication turns AI into a highly professional extension of your daily workflow.